When we think about the use cases and outcomes for the WAN, traditionally it's been connecting disparate sites together to provide IT services, and that's all the WAN really did. If you wanted to add redundancy or provide SLAs for given applications, it was very difficult. So SD-WAN abstracts some of that complexity and allows you to better deliver business outcomes through the WAN with things like intelligent path control, integrated security, transport independence, and other features.
Traditional WANs leverage multi-protocol label switching, or MPLS, and MPLS provides guaranteed service level agreements. Many customers are looking to lower WAN costs through using broadband or 4G LTE to lower their WAN costs, but those transports don't necessarily provide the same service level agreements. So in some cases where customers are looking at business critical applications like voice or collaboration, they may still want to leverage MPLS.
It's just getting to the point where I think it's mainstream. So up till this point, we've seen a lot of customers thinking about SD-WAN, testing SD-WAN, looking at the various vendors, and certainly we've had lots of implementations, but I think now it's getting to a critical tipping point where most customers are adopting the solution. Cisco's keynote at Live was really great. They showed the entire SDN journey and how the network intuitive comes together with software-defined access and DNA at the campus, software-defined WAN in the middle, and ACI, software-defined data center, on the right, with each of them having a management and orchestration platform that work together to automate and orchestrate the end-to-end experience. And without SDN and these technical concepts of overlays and automation, that wouldn't be possible.
So we have Cisco SD-WAN based on our Viptela solution, and then we have Cisco SD-WAN based on our Meraki solution. And so basically, for customers that are really looking for more of a turnkey SD-WAN solution, that are already invested in Meraki wireless or switching or even cameras, that want to manage everything through a single UI and really looking at those basic SD-WAN use cases, then the Meraki solution is the right one for them. For organizations that have more complex requirements, are looking for more advanced application optimization capabilities, multi-layer security, or even multi-domain, as we're hearing about today, for end-to-end segmentation, then the Viptela solution is really targeted more towards that type of customer.
I think traditional WAN is a technology that's going to be around in the industry for forever. Normal IP routing, BGP, routing protocols aren't going anywhere. I think that every WAN technology vendor will put SD solutions into their product, but you won't be forced to use them anytime soon.